This thing's only got 700K on it. This is a 2026 Denali Ultimate Duramax, so we're doing a 3.5-inch coilover kit on. This is a BDS kit with some Fox coilovers. You totally remove the torsion bars, get rid of the cross member, the whole 9 yards, and convert it to a coilover front end. It's going to help with performance, ride quality in the front. It's going to be the biggest advantage of it for sure. First thing is going to get the torsion keys out, cross member, and then tear down the front end. It's good. Yesterday we got most of the cutting and grinding and disassembly dealt with. This morning we're basically just putting parts on. So we started putting the upper control arms and coilovers in. Next step, getting the lower control arms in and getting everything kind of buttoned up. Somewhat, yeah. You got to trim a few things, weld in a couple support brackets and stuff to make it all work, but overall it's not too bad. Yeah, it's just this bracket here, just provides some support to this because it's just used to support just the shock. Now it's got the coilover and some more weight of the vehicle on it. It just needs a little extra support to keep everything square and stable.
Next in a couple of steps.
Next step is basically lower control arms. Start getting the knuckles and wheel bearings and brakes and stuff all back together. Turn it. Okay, go max again. Okay, come off it. Yeah, this there is good. It is pretty nice. The wheels?
Yeah.
I think they're pretty nice. I think they suit the truck well, for sure.
Yeah.
Everything else being blacked out. Picking them up. Torque wrench will do the rest. Put the center caps on, and then we got to get on the alignment rack, do the final torque on everything, and set up the alignment. We'll pretty much be done. We basically just got like the lower control arms and stuff just snugged up enough to move the truck around to do the alignment. So now that there's weight on the truck, we're gonna do the final torque on a bunch of suspension components, put some of the skid plates back on, and then do an alignment. Basically we want to just make sure it dries well, see how it handles, make sure it's all put together properly, and we'll come back, recheck all the components. There's not a lot to them really, outside of the lift kit. You can gain some performance with those coilovers. Nice stance change. You know, it drives basically like a factory truck. It drives pretty much the same as far as steering and handling is concerned. The suspension's a little bit nicer with the coilovers. All right, there was a time lapse of installing this 3-inch BDS with Fox coilovers on this nice 26 Duramax. Big improvement, stance looks good, drivability's really nice, rides a little bit better with those coilovers, and it's ready to go back to the customer.